Moving further, the Delhi High Court has strongly affirmed that disability pension for armed forces personnel is not a charity or an act of generosity, but a rightful acknowledgement of their sacrifice and service. A bench of Justices Naveen Chawla and Shailendra Kaur made this clear while hearing a batch of cases filed by Union government challenging orders of the Armed Force Tribunal that had granted disability pension to several personnel. So, disability pension is a financial benefit provided to armed forces personnel who suffer from a disability or disease that is attributable to or aggravated by their military service. It ensures that a soldier who suffers injuries or illness during the course of duty, even if not during war, is not left without any economic support. The core legal issue before the court here was whether a disability or illness that occurred during military service, even at a peace station, but was not present at the time of joining, should be considered as attributable to or aggravated by service conditions under the entitlement rules of 2008. The High Court said that yes, military service is inherently stressful and demanding even in peace stations. Soldiers face a range of physical and psychological pressures from long working hours, constant readiness, harsh terrains to mental stress from being away from family and living in isolated conditions. The court criticized the approach of release medical boards that denied disability pension without providing detailed reasons. It said that the RMBs must offer clear and well-reasoned explanations if they are to say that a condition is not linked to service. It also rejected the blanket use of the term lifestyle disorder, saying that each soldier's case must be individually assessed. Just labeling a disease like hypertension as a lifestyle issue cannot be enough to deny disability pension. The court emphasized that the benefit of disability pension must be interpreted liberally in favor of those who deserve it and upholds the state's responsibility towards those who have served the nation with courage. With this, the court dismissed Union government's pleas and upheld the claims of the armed forces personnel for disability pension in these cases.